I'm up here with the director of Canoe Trail, Richard Harpham. Richard, this looks pretty high up here. What's going on?
So this is basically a 5 metre high big air ramp. What it enables us to do is get the same speed that we get on a wave, but we're using obviously a hard surface to launch ourselves and do all the tricks that we do in freestyle kayaking, landing on the water 6 metres below.
So can we have a look down here?
Yeah, it's a long way down. Mind the edge, mind the edge.
That looks pretty steep down there, if you don't mind me saying.
However many times you do this, it's pretty scary being up here.
Yes.
Genuinely, you know, it's sort of stomach in mouth time.
So we're up here with Canoe Trail on the top of this 5.5 metre board. It's massive. We're with Dean. He's going to go down here in a minute. Dean, is this big?
It's a lot bigger than you think. I mean, yeah, it's about same height as a 5 metre at, say, Robinson Pool in Bedford. But when you're going down in a kayak, you're not hitting the water first thing. You're throwing yourself up in the air before you hit the water, so it makes it an awful lot higher. Yeah.
Well, I'd rather it be you than me, so good luck with that.
Cheers, thank you.
Dean, any last words?
Yeah, thank you, goodbye.